realizing, if you have completely understood and you realize how our own karmas will not work and does not work, that there is a divine will at play. So how do I get then, where is the answer, where is the solution for this? Where will I get shashwat, permanent happiness? What will lead me to there? So whatever it is that you are doing, Bhagavan says, Ishwararpitam nechaya kritam chitta shodakam mukti sadakam. Actions done with an attitude of dedication to the Lord. Ishvara arpitam, you dedicate it without any attachment to the result. Done without any na ichchaya kritam. Okay, so there is this desire that is come within me and which is prompting me to act. Something propels us to act, isn't it? Something tells us, get up and do this. Okay. So it has come. It has come out of its own will. I'm going to do this. How am I going to do? I will dedicate this to the Lord. Whatever He wishes to give, anyway, He is the one who decides what I must get out of this. I have no control over it. I see it. Do we see this with clarity? I have no control over this. Therefore, I do this with no expectations of the result. Which means, so I don't know what is going to come of it. So I don't mind not doing it or partially doing it, half-heartedly doing it, unthinkingly do it. I do it to the best of my capacity. I do it with full dedicated, yes, full sincerity. I complete the action, paying attention to what I'm doing, not mindlessly performing it, mindfully performing it, with complete awareness. I do it, I leave the result. I have no attachment to the result. So after completing it, when someone, I'm doing it with complete awareness, I'm so happy doing it, and then somebody says, what? It's so stupid. You didn't see this? You didn't? And you feel so bad and so disappointed. I put in so much effort. I did it so. If you are feeling disappointed because somebody told you that, you shows you already had expectations from that action. Understand? That is why you got disappointed. It shouldn't disappoint you. You saw that. I didn't see it. I missed it. Maybe next time I should pay more attention to what I'm doing. You should be able to cheerfully accept this and walk ahead. But most of us are not able to. We can't digest this. Somebody criticizing us, constantly this person is saying something. This person only finds faults. Whatever I do, I can't make him happy. No, but you are not supposed to do this to make anybody happy. You were supposed to do this because this had to get done. It is very difficult. Let us not fool ourselves that we are all acting without an ego, without a sense of doership. Because if we get angry after being pointed out at our fault, then it shows you had expectations. That is the gauge. That is your measurement. You had expectations from there. And so somebody doesn't praise, you say, I don't mind if no praise comes, but when they criticize, I feel bad. You had expectations. Somebody praises you and you get carried up. You may say, no, it's not my doing, all Bhagwan's doing. I'm not the doer. Okay. The second time you have done it very well. The third time, now what has happened? 4 people have appreciated what you have done. The 5th time you think you have arrived. You cannot make a mistake. You are so good at it. You don't know. You don't carry these ideas, but the moment there is somebody who does the same job better than you, you do not like it. Now you don't like to do this anymore. You say, no, I don't want to do this, Now they have that person, to do. So let me withdraw. Why? Because now it is not, I am not happy doing this. Previously, I used to get a lot of happiness doing this. Nowadays, I'm not happy doing this. Oh, really? You are looking for happiness from this job? Because suddenly, some other person is getting the appreciation and I am not getting the appreciation. So, which means, yes, I had expectations from this. That's all it means. So let us not, it's very easy, to fool ourselves and say, I have no expectations. But watch, for the one who is very aware of this and is willing to go within and correct himself, then it becomes Chitta Shodakam Mukti Sadhakam. It becomes a very act of purifying your Chitta, your mind. It clears, it cleanses of all of these things, these constantly working for a result.